If you've been uploading videos but barely getting views or new subscribers, chances are you're making one or more of these mistakes. And trust me, they are easy to fix once you know what they are. Let's get into it. Mistake number one is bad thumbnail and title. Straight up. If your thumbnails and title are boring, generic titles, they are not eye-catching, then no one is going to click, period. Think about it, like when you're scrolling on YouTube, what makes you click on a video? It is the title and thumbnail, right? If they don't spark curiosity or an emotional reaction, then your video is going to get ignored. Now, how to fix this is use bold text, clear image, and contrasting colors in your thumbnail to make it pop. I've already made a theory video on how to make your thumbnails. I'm going to link that video. Please check that out. It is well detailed and it will help you in your thumbnail making. Your title should be curious, emotional, or problem solving. If it has the three, then well, that's great. But if not, it should have one or more of those things. Curious, emotional, or problem solving. For example, let me give you an example. Like instead of saying how to get more views, you try why your YouTube videos flop and how to fix it. Do you see the difference? How to get more views is just there. It's just generic. So what if I don't want to get more views? So I'm not going to watch your video. But then when you say why your YouTube videos are flopping and how to fix it, you're telling them, oh, this is the problem you have and I have a solution to it. It makes them want to click better. Mistake number two is boring intros. Oh my God, people click off so fast. It should be engaging and straight to the point. Okay, listen. If your intro is too long and uninteresting, people will click away so fast. Like before they even get to know what this video is about, they are clicking away. We've already seen your channel name. We've seen your channel banner. Okay, read your channel description. Why are you still repeating? Hey guys, my name is Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm this, and my channel is about this. They don't have time for that. They are looking for the solution to their problem that made them click on that video in the first place. So your intro needs to hook them. It shouldn't be boring. Go straight to the point and be very engaging. You have 5 to 10 seconds to grab attention. So skip the long, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Skip it. Just get straight into the hook. For example, instead of saying, hey guys, today I'm talking about YouTube growth, say, if your YouTube views are stuck, this might be why. You see the difference? Like one is more compelling than the other. One makes you want to watch a little bit further. The other is just like generic. Hey guys, that's what everyone does. Then after that, quickly introduce the topic and promise a solution. Like get straight into the point. Don't even waste time at all. Mistake number 3 is not structuring your video for retention. You need to structure it in a way that it flows so that people are watching from the beginning till the end, because that is the goal. We need audience retention. We want them to watch our videos from the beginning to the very end. That is what makes YouTube recommend a video. It needs to be logical and actionable, the way you structure the video, because if people aren't watching your videos all the way through, then YouTube would push them out. And one major reason is bad structure. Maybe you're rambling and you're going off topic. That's why it's good to have a script. Even if it's not a full-blown script, like have an agenda, have talking points so that you don't ramble and go off topic and forget what you're even supposed to talk about. And then instead of starting from A, you're starting from Z. Or you say you want to save the best part of the video for the end. The thing people click in here for, instead of you talking about it, you want to save it for the end so that they watch through the end. That's a very big mistake, because trust me, they're going to click out. If it's me, I would also click out. So trust me, people will click out. Don't do that, okay? So let me tell you how to fix this problem. The hook is the beginning. Hook them, make it that they want to watch the video. Structure it in a way that, ooh, when they hear this, they want to watch. Then the value, the thing they click the video for, give it to them immediately in the middle of the video. Then the CTA is the call to action, which is you telling them subscribe to the channel or comment down below. Like this brings more engagement when people comment, like the video, when they share the video, call to action, tell them things to do. The fourth mistake is ignoring the SEO. You're invisible on YouTube if you ignore the SEO. That's just it. You just made yourself invisible. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google. Yet so many creators upload videos without any SEO strategy, meaning their videos never get discovered. You need to make videos about what people are searching for, or you title your video in a way that it's something people are searching for. SEO, search engine optimization. And how to fix this is to use keywords in your title, your description, and your tags. I already made a video on how to optimize these things. Please check those videos out. You need to optimize your title, your description, and your tags so that the search engine knows, oh, this is what this video is about. And when people are searching for those keywords, your videos come up in recommendation. That is if your video is good. So your video needs to actually be good. You need to find searchable topics. Use vidIQ, use TubeBuddy, or use the YouTube search bar, or even use the YouTube inspiration feature, which I just talked about. I'm going to link that video in the cards, how you can easily get videos idea from YouTube itself based on your YouTube data. That is the best thing YouTube has done for creators. So check out that video. It's going to help you tremendously. I promise you. So let me give you an example of title. Like instead of titling your video like my skincare routine, go for the best skincare routine for glowy skin, step by step. It's more detailed. It has more keywords. It's more searchable because people with glowy skin are searching. They are searching for a skincare routine for glowy skin because that's what I want. I'm not just searching for everyday skincare routine. Because if you just put my skincare routine, it's broad. Before yours will come up in search, is they're gonna give people that are looking for glowy skin first. People that indicated there, oh, I'm looking for skincare routine for glowy skin. I'm looking for skincare routine for an oily skin. Get it? SEO gives your video more chances of getting found. Mistake number 5 is not encouraging engagement. If you're not getting likes, you're not getting comments, or you're not getting shares, YouTube assumes that your content isn't interesting and then it stops recommending it. So you need to, tell your audience, tell your viewers, please like this video, please leave a comment down below, share my videos to friends, like the video, subscribe, like tell them because most of them don't even know. Some don't know they're supposed to do these things to help you as a form of support. Because here's the thing, most viewers would not engage except you ask them to. So how to fix this is to ask a fun question or an easy question in the video that will make them want to, answer down in the comments, which then sparks conversation and bring about engagement and, more retention. For example, you can say like, comment below if you've made any of these mistakes. Comment below if you've made any of these mistakes. Use pinned comment to keep the conversation going. If you check most of my video comments, I always pin a comment or something that sparks conversation or a recommendation down there. So use pin comment. Remind viewers to like the video, to subscribe, like naturally, not forcefully, of course. All right. So if you've been struggling with views and with subscribers, now you know the mistakes that could be holding you back and how to actually fix them. Now I want to hear from you. What's the biggest mistake you've made here on YouTube? Leave it down in the comments. I want to know. If you found this video helpful, please share it to somebody that it's going to help. Like the video, comment down, subscribe to the channel for more YouTube growth tips. Turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a single video and you don't miss it. And I'll see you in my next video. Okay, guys? Keep creating. Bye, guys.